Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the scope of our vision? The world we perceive with our eyes is just a tiny fraction of reality. Step into the realm of the invisible, where a whole universe of wonders unfolds under the lens of a microscope. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of the invisible world, exploring what truly exists beneath the microscope's gaze. At the very beginning, let's consider the concept of scale. What we see daily is often on a scale of meters or centimeters. But under a microscope, we shrink this scale, down to micrometers and nanometers dimensions that are 1,000 or even 1,000,000 times smaller. This shift in perspective is key to understanding the hidden world. Imagine a single human hair, which is about 100 micrometers wide. Now picture tiny bacteria, often just a few micrometers long, thriving on that hair. Then consider viruses, which can be as small as 100 nanometers, a scale at which the fundamental building blocks of life come into view. Now let's look at the variety of life forms unseen by the naked eye. In a single drop of pond water, a bustling city of microscopic organisms exists. There are single-celled organisms, such as paramecia and amoebas, gracefully moving around, hunting for food and responding to their surroundings. These are the simplest forms of life, yet they perform all the functions necessary for survival, from ingestion to reproduction. Bacteria, too, are everywhere from the air. We breathe to the food we eat, some helpful, others harmful. They're constantly interacting with each other, forming complex communities and playing critical roles in ecosystems. Beyond living organisms, the microscope reveals the intricate structures of non-living materials. Examine a plant cell under a microscope, and you'll see a world of order: the cell wall, the nucleus, the chloroplasts. These structures perform specific functions, from providing support to carrying out photosynthesis. Minerals and crystals also exhibit remarkable designs, revealing geometrical patterns and structural symmetries that are not obvious to the naked eye. Each grain of sand becomes an individual artwork when viewed under magnification, showing the beauty present even in the simplest of objects. The microscope also has profoundly impacted our understanding of health and medicine. It has allowed us to see pathogens like viruses and bacteria, helping us identify diseases and develop effective treatments. Microscopy techniques like electron microscopy can view viruses, revealing their detailed structures, how they infect cells, and how they can be combated. This information has been crucial in the development of vaccines and antiviral drugs, saving countless lives. But the invisible world isn't just about what we can see, it's also about what we can't see, or what we can't fully understand.